We can closed caption using Google Slides. If you go to the slideshow, we're going to go to the bottom left once we're in present mode here. There are 3 dots at the bottom. We are going to go to our caption preferences and we are going to be toggling our captions, and that has now toggled the captions on so that you will see a running script of what we are saying. In order to stop this, you can escape from your slideshow, and then that will get rid of those captions. However, there's also another way using a keyboard shortcut. So if we are in a slideshow, I'm currently on a Mac, so I'm going to go to the keyboard and press Command and Shift the letter C, and then now the captions are coming back at the top. If you are using a Windows or using Chrome for your device, it is a Control Shift C is how you will get the keyboard shortcuts to have your text at the top. Now, if you want to go to other places on the internet, you are going to lose the closed captioning, but there is a workaround. If you go back to that bottom 3 dots, we're going to click on them. What we're going to do is we're going to exit the full screen. And you can see that we're back to the internet now. So what you can do is you can take another tab and you can move it down. So here's my notes about how I can present with captions, and I just move it down here. But I now have access to the other parts of the internet. So maybe that I want to go to Canvas or to Google Classroom, or I'm going to our portfolio link. I can do that and still have those captions at the top.